Welcome to Vortex AI Studio training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to create web stories in Vortex AI Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Web Story. Now you are on Web Story creating page. Now insert your prompt on which you want to create your story. Your category in which you want to create story. You can choose from our vast variety of categories. Now choose number of pages you required for your web story. Add your CTA, click to action, text and URL. You can also add advanced effects to your story by our advanced options. Choose your image animation type. Image animation duration in seconds. Image animation delay time. Slide duration time. Text animation type. Text animation duration. And text animation delay. You can preview your animations. Click on Generate and it will redirect you to our advanced story editor where you can further edit it. And your will redirect to my story section. You can add or edit text of your story. You can upload your desired images from your local and replace your story background. You can generate AI contents for your story by our AI content option. You can search stock images and use them as your cover images. You can generate AI graphics from our AI graphics generator. You can also edit your slide settings. We describe the editor in details in upcoming training videos. Remember to save every slide, otherwise your changes will not saved. Once you done editing, click on back and your story will be ready. You can view. Update. Re-edit. Or share your story. Thanks for watching video.